to Sally's. She's getting hair dye because... Tell them what you're gonna do.
Bleach the front of my hair, and we're gonna try to get most of the blue out, and then I'm gonna do green. I might do purple again.
I actually made an appointment for Thursday to get my hair bleached and cut. I'm redoing my blue. I still really want to get bangs, but... Oh yeah, and then I need to redo my shave. We're doing haircuts and the hair color. I'm here to give you a haul of what we got. Yeah, you add this in and it helps. Whatever, it works. I'm bad at explaining it, but I already have hair dye, but this is what my sister got. Purple, blue, and then green. I also found this nail glue that's supposed to be like the best nail glue ever. It's the Beauty Secrets nail glue, and it looks very professional and fancy, so I'm excited to try this. And I'm gonna do my nails in this video too, so we'll test this out. And then I got this really fancy file. It's 100 grit, which I've always wanted to have, so this was like 99 cents. And this was like weirdly expensive, but it's like a ton of glue, so it's fine. This was $6. I wanted to tell you guys what I use because last time I just did a voiceover and it was kind of crazy. So the bleach that I use is this L'Oreal Quick Blue, and we get these big buckets because we do this a lot, and this is the only bleach that I've ever used, so, and it works well for me. And we get this on Amazon because it's like way cheaper than Sally's. So yeah, I'll do 1 scoop of this, and then I use this developer. It's the Ion Sensitive Scalp developer, and I use 40 volume, but please don't do that. I know what my hair can handle, and because we've been doing this for a really long time. So we've only ever had one bleach disaster, and that was a couple years ago when my first mistake was using permanent black box dye. I don't know why I did that. Well, I did it for Gerard Way. He possessed me and said, if you don't use this black box dye, I'm gonna kill you in your sleep. Like, I bleached it out, and I don't know why I did that. It all fell off. And I'll put pictures. And the haircut that I had was okay, but I don't want to have that haircut again. I'm okay with this, so I don't really need any advice. But thank you, just keep it in your head. I use this, which takes the volume like down a little bit. This is a like protector sort of stuff, and I definitely recommend everyone use this. I really notice a difference when I use this versus not. My mom is gonna do mine, and then I'm gonna do my sister's. Like, look how bad my roots have gotten. This part is pretty boring, but we're just bleaching today. We might do haircuts, but she got her hair done today. Well, I don't even know if you guys ever even saw her before, but it's just a little bit bleached, and she might do a color too. Let me know, what do you guys think? Do you think bangs would look good on me? And because I have this shave, so I think it might be weird. But let me know what you think about that. I had bangs, well, when I had that bleach disaster, I was basically forced to get bangs. And I had wanted them anyway, so I was just like, whatever. I've had a middle part for like 8 years or more. When I got the bangs, they just wanted to split in the middle, and every single time, and I had to blow dry them every day and straighten them every day, and I had to sleep in a roller every single night. And my sister just doesn't even have that kind of problems. It really annoys me because I had to work really hard to have my bangs, and I didn't really even hardly want them. So I never even trimmed them one time. I just let them grow right out along with the rest of my hair. But it was really annoying to have them. So that's why I don't want to get them again, because it was like basically torture every single day. And that's around the time where I was wearing a lot of hats because I just didn't want to do my hair when we went out. But I don't know. There's a little goblin inside of me that is telling me to get them again. My hair cooperates way better when it's greasy, but I just can't handle it, so I wash my hair every day. Let me know how often you guys wash your hair. I know. I wash my hair every day, and I take 2 showers a day. So just let me know what you think about that. Okay, it's been like 15 minutes, so I think I'm gonna rinse it now. You look so scary. You look terrified.
Yeah, I figured.
It really hurts my back. It really took it out of me. Okay. Okay, the lighting in here is crazy, but I'm gonna look at this for the first time. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Now I'm gonna put in this, and I'm gonna like brush it and just leave it for like probably a couple hours, to be honest. It needs to be all of this. You look like Justin Bieber. Wait, you're not wearing the cape. Wait. This is, I bleached her front bits, and this is what it looks like. It looks, I look. This is the dye that I like to use. You can use my discount code if you want. This is the best blue hair dye I've ever used, so. I only have these two. I have like 1.5. I'm probably gonna add some of this. I'm gonna make my little mix. There's actually quite a bit in there, so I'm just gonna add like a tiny bit of this.
Maybe you are thinking. Alright.
I'm here with my son. My hair dye has been on for like 2 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and start on my nails. I'm really bad about like biting my nails, so they're looking really crusty. So I'm just gonna take off my nail polish and then do my cuticles. And I just use these little sticks and then this. And this thing sucks because these are so skinny and hard, and it really like, it hurts my hand to use it. But since this hair dye, like, it does stain like pretty bad, so I can't really do anything fancy for my nails, so I'm just gonna do like this same color blue as my hair. Okay. Here's my hair, fresh out the shower. Fresh out the shower. I just got out of the shower. I've taken an everything shower, if you will. I'm so moisturized right now. I'm gonna get going on my nails. Excited to test out this file. The hair dye stains just a little bit. Oh my gosh. So usually I use my, I have an electric file that I usually use to like gently sand, like buff my nails down. Today I'm just gonna use this. Wow. Yeah, this is like super intense. This is like at the same level as my electric one. I'm just gonna do like a tiny bit because this is like super strong. It's crazy. The nails that I use are just from Amazon. I think these are actually like supposed to be for Gel X. I'll come back when I am trying this glue. Okay. It says press down on the yellow thing. It's like quite big. It's like a big hole. Oh, it's hard to squeeze this tube. Ah! Okay. It's runny. I always start with my pinkies. Hold it in place. I guess I won't really have much to say about this glue until my nails start coming off. But so far it's pretty hard to squeeze the tube unless I'm just really weak. I'm gonna put all these on because it's quite boring. But I don't know if I want to cut them or leave them long this time. I like these because they're already shaped to the shape that I like. The ones that I used to have were like coffin, so I would have to shape them every time, but I like the shape of these, and they're like a good length. But yeah. Then my plan is to use this nail polish. Oh my gosh, it looks so bright on camera, but it's like much darker in person, but I think it matches my hair really well. I got it at TJ Maxx, and I thought it was beautiful, so. Alright, I have finished my hair, obviously, as you can see, and I finished my nails, and they match really well, which I'm really happy about. I think my hair looks really, really good. I'm obsessed with it. You'll have to excuse my skin. I've been picking at it because that's just what I do. when I have nails. But the next thing I want to do is change my earrings. I have 3 ear piercings, and my third ones are the most recent, and this is just like the one that I pierced it with, you know, so. And it's stuck, like the back of it is stuck. So I've just had this in for like, it's been like a year since I pierced them. I just want to switch them out and get something new and fresh. My trusty pliers here. Seems like a pretty bad idea, but at this point I don't really know what else to do. Okay, I got it. It wasn't that bad. And I just threw that right in the trash because I do not want it anymore. I know that I want to use these. Okay. Here's what I did. I don't like it at all, but I just, again, just like the last video, I can't even do anything with these nails, so whatever. I might just cut all this out, but I tried. Now, I'm just gonna do my makeup and put on a cute outfit, and I'll be back. I think this video is gonna be kind of long, so I'm just gonna do my makeup off camera, but yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, here I am. Makeup is done. I feel like this look is so cute. This little mint in the inner corner, I love it, and then I put some here as well. I think it's so cute. So yeah, I love how everything came out. My nails and my hair, and I'm feeling good. Okay, this is her final hair reveal because I forgot to film it. Got the green. So yeah, I think this was a successful glow up, or whatever I'm gonna call this video. I know I just did one of these videos, but I don't know, I feel like I'll probably do them pretty often because I don't know, I like doing them. And also I'm feeling really good about my hair growth as well. I think this length looks really good on me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.